Greetings, fantabulous people. I hope all you are doing great. And today I'm going to start a new series on the channel. And the series name is Chit Chat and Chaos. And it's a podcast series basically, in which I'm going to show you every aspect of a student life, of a college life, and what are the mistakes, what are the problems we are facing. And let's start this first episode. And here with me is my friend, my classmate, and a brother to me. And there's no better time than this to start this new journey with him. So here's Divyansh Kumar.
Hello, everybody.
Divyansh, how are you?
I am good. Thanks for letting me in your podcast. So, yes, I am Divyansh Kumar, student in ABS Engineering College, first year. We both are very good. I mean, we are best friends. And I can assure you that he is full of crap and nonsense. I am basically his hard drive, walking hard drive.
So basically, it's a very
It's
friendly
bigger.
broadcast. We are two normal people creating a abnormal level of chaos, and that is why the series is named Chit Chat and Chaos, because we are going to make a lot of chaos. So Divyansh bhai, my first question to you is that what's your moment when you realize that BTech CS is going to be like a hell for the life? Because we as an engineer can relate that.
So, my movement arrived when it was our first day, when the teacher asked me to open the laptop, and I realized that I haven't brought mine. So that was my moment when I realized that the degree is a huge thing.
Okay, so that's happened
It's
with
a
all of us.
survival game.
It's basically a survival game, and I also agree that because there's a lot of embarrassed moment we all had in our classes. So Divyansh, bhai, your second question is that what's your biggest engineering moment so far?
My biggest engineering moment so far is when I have coded a huge program, and then I suddenly realized that it was showing some error. So I spent almost 40 minutes trying to debug the code, and then I realized that I was missing a semicolon.
Ah,
I mean, it's hilarious.
Being as an CSC student, we know what's the devil of missing semicolon. We almost around take 40, 50 an hour to just solve that missing semicolon. So yeah, I'm totally agree on that. So let's just move forward and just tell me about like your first impression of the college when you just came, and you have some expectations of the college. Everybody has. So when you came to the college, what's your first impression of ABS Engineering College?
According to me, the college is good. The college offers a good environment. It also provides great placement to the students, and it has achieved an ace rank in the NCR region, and its students are also being placed in various top tech companies. So yeah, I believe that the college is doing well so far, and the faculty is also very friendly, and yeah, so I will conclude.
Very different approach. But if you ask me, I'm a little bit disappointed because I have so much about the ABS Engineering College because it has a very big brand value. But I'm a little bit disappointed because some of the activities, yeah, some of the things that they are doing, just like our freshers. Let's just not talk about that, and let's just move forward to the next question. We want to keep this video very friendly and in a very happy tone. We don't want to be sad. So Divyansh bhai, a very serious question.
Okay.
Like what's one thing that you see yourself inside yourself, like in the next 4 years? Maybe it's something it's about coding, or it's something the skill that you have. So what is that one thing that you want to grow in the upcoming 4 years of college?
In the upcoming 4 years of college, I would firstly be a better engineer. I would manage my time efficiently. I would make good and effective projects that could enhance my portfolio, and furthermore, it could help help to boost my career as a software developer. And I aspire myself to build something big and innovative. So yeah, that's all.
And let's just expose Divyansh Kumar. Like we are best friends, and the very first thing that I liked about him is that is eagerness to learn something, because our first bond was created. You can imagine how we are debating. We are constantly debating about 14 days, and that's how our bond, made and strengthened. So I like about him, like we all are full of craps. We made laughs out loud. We are making a lot of buzz in the class. We are the notorious students in the class, but also we are eagerness to learn. We have that eagerness, that avidness of learning something new, and you know making ourselves, putting ourselves into the uncomfortable situation and trying something new.
Improving
So,
ourselves.
yeah, improving ourselves is the main agenda, and that is the thing that I liked him, and that's why we are friends, because that's the bond we share, that's the common thing that we share. And so Divyansh bhai, so let's do a very rapid question. Are you a beach guy or a mountain guy?
I haven't visited any mountain, so I would say I am beach guy.
You are a beach guy. So next question is, are you a cat person or a dog person?
A dog person.
Dog person.
Cats are clumsy.
I even haven't known that, and even I'm his best friend.
Cats are clumsy. They made like shit all over the house.
So let's just, the next question. If you have to choose, like debugging or crying,
Both at the same time.
if you have to choose between doing coding for the rest of your life or experiment on yourself, exploring different skills of yours.
I would say exploring myself, experimenting myself on different circumstances, and improving myself.
So let's just end this podcast with a very interesting question, and that question is how you, yeah, like how you have developed the interest in CSC. Not just because it's the only field in India that is growing right now, because if we are as a computer science student, we can have different skills. We can have different things that we can wants to develop or have interest for them. Or so what's your specific point, like how you develop and why you are just choose CSC rather up from all the engineering branches that we have.
So I had a very keen interest in technology and technical stuff from a very early age, and when I started my career, like as a student, I made some project in Python. From when I started Python, I developed a interest in the software development field, and from there I eventually developed an interest in the CSE department.
That is happened with all of us if we talk about the engineers, particularly in CSC, because it's a very aspiring thing. Like you do, because we use apps and the projects, or like the thing that we build, we use in our daily life, apps, websites. So it's very fascinating to know how they works, how we can create, write something beautiful, lines of codes into a black sheet, and how is controlling the aspect of the thing that we are going to make. So yeah, it's a very beautiful thing. So it's very nice to talk with you, Divyansh bhai, and I'm very glad that I have you for my first podcast. So let's just end this, and we'll meet in the next video. And I can assure you one thing, like this chaos will never going to be stopped. Thank you, and have a nice day. And don't forget the motto, right? Let's grow 1% every day.